former President Rodrigo Duterte. As family and I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for the unwavering support and solidarity you have shown during this dark time. You have never failed to remind us, time and again, of the pride we share and love kindness. I highly ask for your continuous prayers for my father, our Tatay health.
Itinahin niyo lang yun.
Not being administered with medication as of the moment.
Jeez
All
na.
you have seen was forcibly taken in and sent to the face for the what kind of government do we have where it is not protect its own citizens?
I expect to pass through this world at once. Any good therefore that I can do, or any kindness that I can show to any fellow creature, let me do it now. Let me not defer or neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again.
To your citizens here, would you be happy?
May haplas dito kung kinahanglan nimo. Okay, perfect.
Ako ang amiga gikan na London ang iyahain taong gidala kay efficacy and oil lang. Ora dili ang ako ang matabang sa imo. So na hantod ka na wala ko kibalo kung hantod ka na sa amin.
Welcome ka sa balay, ma'am. Okay, rin ayun yun. Yes, may problema. Pagkain, may problema. Ang mga Hazel's Kusina dira. Yes, ma'am.
Sunday na.
Unsa oras, ma'am? Nanay oras, ma'am?
So, Saturday pa lang man laban na mo ha kay para sa
Yes, correct. Correct.
wala